Hello students, good morning. I welcome you for our today's maths class. Students, in our today's maths class, we are going to revise lesson number 2, number work. Okay, lesson 2 number work was a little big lesson in which we had nearly 12 units. So let us revise lesson 2, that is number work. Here we have question 1. Write in words. Words means children. We have the numbers. We have to write the spelling of the given numbers. First one, 1 4. So that is what children? It is read as 14. So when you write in words, you will write the spelling of 14. Fourteen. 14. Okay. Second one, 306. 3-digit number, and when you read it, you will read it as 306. Okay, so 3 THREE 100 HUNDRED and 06 is 6 children, so 306. Okay, the next third one, 740. This number is read as 740. So 7 SEVEN 7 HUNDRED 100 and 40 is 40 FORTY. In spelling of 40, you will not come children. Okay, I repeat, 40 spelling, you will not come. It is FORTY 40. The number is 740. Question 2. Write the number just before and just after. Just before and just after. First one, we have the number 399. Now children, before 99, we have 98. So before 399, 398. 398, 399 and next number is 400. Okay, after 99 we have 100, but here it is 399. So after 3 we have 4. So after 399 it is 400. Okay, second one, 200. So before 200 and after 200. 200, before 200 children we have 199. See, this is 200. Now before 100 we have 99. So before 200 it is 199. Then 200 and after 200 children it is 201. Okay. Question 3. Compare the numbers and insert greater than or smaller than sign. See, these two symbols you have to put. Write the place of comparison. Okay. So now, first one, 868 and 888. Two numbers are there and both are 3-digit number. So now when you are comparing the numbers, see the first number in hundreds place. Here we have 8 and here also we have 8. So they are same. So see the next number in tens, 6 and here 8. So 6 is less than 8. Okay. So 868 is less than 888. Now children, in which place we made the comparison? Middle number. So that is tens place. So write the place of comparison. So here on this line we have to write the place where we have made the comparison. So it is in middle number. So that is tens. Second one 611, and here we have 711. Both are 3-digit number. See the first number, here we have 6, here we have 7. So 6 is smaller than 7. Yes. So that means 611 is less than 711. Okay. In first place only we made the comparison in a 3-digit number. Which is the first place? It is hundreds. 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 Okay. Third one 764, 768. Both are 3-digit number, children. First number in hundreds, both the numbers we have same number, that is 7. In tens too we have same number, 6, 6. Yes. So see the last number in units, 4 and 8. 4 is less. So 764 is less than 768. Okay. So last number we made the comparison. So that is units. Okay children, so in this way we put this symbol and we have to write here place of comparison. Don't get confused, the number which is bigger, that side these 2 arrows will come. Okay. Just keep in mind you have to see the smaller number and bigger number, and accordingly you have to put the symbol. Write the following numbers in their ascending and descending order. Ascending order means, children, from smallest number to biggest, and descending means from biggest you will come down to smallest number. First number 315, 215 and 515. All three are 3-digit numbers. So see the first number in hundreds, please. 3, 2, 5. Ascending, smallest, so 2. So our first number is 215. Then after 2, 3 and 5, which is smallest? 3. So that is 315, and biggest 515. Okay. This is our ascending order. Now descending means from biggest number you will go to smallest number. Biggest is 515. Then we have 315, the middle number, and then the smallest, that is 215. Okay. Second one 888, 788, 688. All these 3 numbers are 3-digit number. So see the first number in hundreds, 876. Yes children. Here ascending, smallest number we want, so that is 6. So the number is 688, and then 7, so 788, and then 888. This is ascending from smallest to biggest. Descending order, from biggest number you will start 888, 788, and then smallest, that is 688. Third one 365, 73, 12, 116. 3-digit number, 2-digit number, again 2-digit number, and then we have 3-digit number. So 2-digit number is smallest, isn't it? In 3-digit and 2-digit number, 2-digit number is smallest. Now here also we have 2-digit, and here also we have 2-digit. So in this both 2-digit number, see the first number 7, 1. 1 is smallest. So 12 is our first smallest number. Then 73. Okay. Now this both numbers are 3 digits. So see the first number, here we have 3, here we have 1. Smallest is 1, 116. And then 365. Okay. So this was our ascending order. Now descending order. Biggest 365, 116, 73 and then 12. Okay. Next question, children. Write the smallest and the biggest 3-digit numbers. Now here we have the given digits. We have to make the smallest number and biggest number. Children, when you are making smallest number, you have to arrange these digits in ascending order. And when you are making biggest number, you have to arrange the digits in descending order. Okay, I repeat, smallest number ascending order, biggest number descending order. And when you arrange these numbers, you will not put this comma in between, because if you put comma, it becomes one digit number and we want 3-digit numbers. Okay, as we are doing, you will come to know. First one, 395. Smallest 3, then 5 and 9. So our smallest number is 359. No commas in between. Biggest 9, then 5 and then 3. So that is 953. Smallest number in ascending order and biggest number in descending order. In between, no commas. 704. While explaining lesson 2 number work, I had already told you, if you have 0 children and you want to make the smallest number, you will not write 0 first. That is in hundreds place. You will take other smaller number. See, if you write 0, then 4 and then 7, it is 47. That is a 2-digit number and we want 3-digit number. So, you will not write 0 in hundreds. So leave this 0. Which is the other number? Smallest number? 4. So in hundreds we will write 4. Okay, this is wrong. And then we'll put 0 and then 7. So the number is 407. Biggest. Now biggest, as you are doing same way. 7 is biggest. Then 4 and then 0. So the number is 740. Smallest number ascending order, biggest number descending order. And when you are making the numbers, here in this you will not put commas. Okay, next question, children. Question 6. Write the expanded form of the following numbers. Expanded form, children. 34. 2-digit number. 3 is in tens, so that is 30 plus 4, which is in units, so only 4. 34's expanded form is 30 plus 4. Next number 287, 3-digit number. 2 is in hundreds, so 200 plus 8, which is in tens. So 8 tens means 80 plus 7, which is in units, so only 7. 2 in hundreds, so 200. 8 in tens, so 80. 8 tens is 80. And 7 in units, so only 7. In between, plus sign. This is the expanded form. 701. 3-digit number. 7 is in hundreds, so 700 plus 0 is in tens, so only 0. Plus 1 in units, so only 1. Question 7. Write the numbers in the standard form. Okay, that is from this expanded form we have to write the number. 50 plus 8. 50, 2-digit number. So in tens we will write 5 and 8 in units. 50 plus 8, 58. Second, 800 plus 0 plus 0. 800, 3-digit number, so 18 hundreds. Next number 0. So in tens 0. And third number 0. So in units to 0. 800 plus 0 plus 0. The number is 800. Third one 100 plus 50 plus 0. 100 is a 3-digit number. So 1 we will write in hundreds. 50. 5 in tens. 0. So in units 0. 150 is the number from this expanded form. Question 8. Write the place value of the underlined digits. Very simple, children. Place value. 480. 4 is underlined, which is in hundreds. So place value of 4 is 400. 165. 6 is underlined, which is in tens. So 6 tens means 60. Okay. Place value of 6 over here is 60. 305. 5 is underlined, which is in units. So only 5. Okay, children. Next question, filling the blanks. I have taken some filling the blanks from this lesson. Let us see. First one, dash is the smallest 3-digit number. Children, which is the smallest 3-digit number? It is 100. 100 is the smallest or the first 3-digit number. Second one, dash is the last 3-digit number. Last, 999. It is our last or the biggest 3-digit number. 10 tens. 10 times if we take tens, children, it is 100. We have already learned this. To make the biggest number, we write the digits in the dash order. If you want to make the biggest number, see, here we have learned to make the biggest number. Which order we write the numbers, children? Yes, from biggest to smallest, that is descending order. So, to make the biggest number, we write the numbers in descending order. Okay, children? And if it is to make the smallest number, then we write the numbers in ascending order. But here they have given biggest number, so that is descending order. Next, 100 tens. 100 tens gives us 1000. Okay, this we have learned in introducing the number 1000. Last one, the value that a digit has according to its place in a number is called its dash. Children, the value that a number has according to its place in the number, the answer is place value. Okay, so here PLACE, place, VALUE, place value. Okay, so here we complete with revision of lesson 2 number work. You can revise this lesson again at home in your rough book. Thank you.